Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Khot Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Shillong, Kaban Saraki, yaki 11th International Day of Yoga, haka apuwaitrik ujulio arachar apusan, ha Convocation Hall ka school ba Nehu Shillong, kala Khot berweri pat ba Banishim Bynta, haka yoga Sangam, kaban salong haka por nyo bajamin stem. Yaga diga yoga Sangam, ka Neiah kala penlong rika jinga trailang, bad ka office jong lat ka jala.
The Neiah North Eastern Institute of Yoga, North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Maudiang Yang Shillong, lambat ka jing trailang jong ka Raj Bhavan, ka office jong lat ka jala Meghalaya. Ni sukumen ban pentip shapi bangilala ban penlong iki program ki baper ki bala ai ka jing hikai bat kumjuk ru ki bawanra ya ki jing hikai ki bayadai bat ka jing pendan kam bat ka jing mentoi jong ka yoga ha ka ban penne ya ka pat ka khya ka jongi bat kumjuk ya long penlong iki ni ki program na kum ka Bynta na ka jing rakhi ka jongi ya ka International Day of Yoga ya ka bangin sa yo ban penlong ha ka akuai tarik ubanai janliu arjar akusan ya kan ni lalam khmat na ka Ministry of Ayush Government of India New Delhi but lasdang ya ka hapo ka program ka baong 100 days countdown of yoga ya ka lasdang na do ber arjar akusan but hapo kan ni ka thup ka balalam khmat da ka ministry ya ka balaong yoga for one earth one health kania ka la ban penong ki program ki bakan thup ya ka yoga countdown even yoga samavesh yoga unplug yoga harit bat ka yoga samayog kini ki program habang ilala ban penong ki ha kisnong bat ki school bat ki college ki prepare kilawan ra shisha ki jing mentoy bat ki jing hikai bat kum jeru ya ki jing yarap ya kini ki nong snong ha kini ki snong kum ha kading yong rasong maudiang diang maulenong bat kum tater bat kum jeru la ai ki jing hikai ya ki habret kena red ki ba kuliah ki school bat kum jo ki samla ki ba kuliah ki college jong ki nong ba shlong bat kum jo kani ka jing penlong ka jongi ya kani ka program kani ya solang bat ka program ka bakongsan kata ka de ka yoga sangam ya ka bangin sa penlong ha ka akuai tarik arjar akusan ya ka bangin ya penlong ha ka Convention Hall Nehu Shillong but ngitmu bakandan ka jing ya dan lang ka jong kumba shihajar ngut ki Iashim Bynta ki ban ya dan ktilam bat ni ha ka te ka sngi kani ka jing persang kalong kum mau jang bathma yani kum ka institute bangila ban play ki la bangina pen klan shu ke rukum ai jing somar ki jongi bat kum jo ru ban wanra e ka jing ya tali ka jing ya sutu jing mutlang bat kam tam ban ka jing trang ka jongi ban penne e ka mariang haba ya kren chapang ka jing penne e ka mariang ngilala ban thmu ban thung bat ban sam hauni usnam arjar akusan kumba arjar akusan tali ki ten riding ha ki shong ki prepare ha ki institute prepare jong ka nong ba shalong ka jongi.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.